Manipur has recorded the highest number of violent crimes and rioting cases in Northeast in 2023, according to a latest data released by National Crime Records Bureau (Ncrb). The state, which has been grappling with violence between Meiteis and Kukis since May 2023, registered 14,427 violent crimes. The figure marks a steep rise from 631 cases in 2022 and 545 in 2021. Assam, with 11,552 incidents, stood second in the region. The report revealed that Manipur also accounted for the highest number of crimes and atrocities against scheduled tribes in the country, with 3,339 cases in 2023 compared to just one in 2022 and none in 2021. The state further topped the region in rioting and arson, recording 5,421 cases of rioting and 6,203 incidents of arson. Other crimes reported included 330 robbery cases, 1,213 dacoity cases, 151 murders, 818 attempts to murder, 89 kidnappings, and 27 rapes, while crimes against women showed a slight decline with 201 cases in 2023 compared to 248 in 2022 and 302 in 2021. The overall spike in violent incidents highlights the severity of the ongoing crisis reflected in the Ncrb data.